And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a love emoji in Adobe Illustrator. There are three big elements. At first, on the view we've got the smart guides and snap point only activated, and I use the ellipse tool holding shift to create a circle. Let me change the fill color, maybe something lighter. Let's choose this for now. Next we want to create the hearts, which should be the eyes. I use the rectangle tool for that. I hold shift when I drag it. Make it red. I use the selection tool and I hold shift when I rotate it. And now I use the anchor point tool and I hold shift when I drag that upwards. Once again I drag it holding shift, and then the smart guide helps me finding the correct position so that both sides are aligned, also that both sides have the same curvature. I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it, and then I rotate them. First one minus 15 degrees to 30, the second one plus 15, so it's 60. I'll group both. And maybe the size is good. If not, I can resize that easily in that position holding shift and Alt. The third element is the mouth. Let's use the ellipse tool, make it black. And I drag it freeform, just like that. Then I use the direct selection tool, select the top anchor point, press the delete key. Then shift click on both anchor points on the left and right. Let me put that down here. So direct selection to A, shift click on left and right, and right click and join. So that way it's a closed shape again. Can reposition that, resize it at the bottom, and now we can use the anchor point tool again to give it a slight curvature on top. So that's the reason why we have joined these anchor points. Let me create the teeth. Many ways to do that, but let me use the ellipse tool again, and I make the fill color white. It's aligned to the center. Use the selection tool, hold shift, and make sure the black and the white elements are only selected. Then use the shape builder tool, hold Alt, and get rid of the top portion of the white. Now we'll create the tongue, and again ellipse tool. I use a red color. Then use the selection tool, hold shift, make sure only the black and the red elements are selected. Use the shape builder tool, hold Alt, get rid of the bottom part. Let me resize that a little bit or transform it. And maybe I'll make the eyes as red as the tongue. That's better, but I want to make the face a little bit lighter once more, or a little bit more yellow. Maybe something like this. And this is how you can create the love emoji in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.